Robusta Rally 2023 took place in the coffee estates of Kodagu, showcasing impressive speed and skill. Organized by the Robusta Sports and Adventure Academy, the Indian National Rally Championship car rally left spectators in awe as cars navigated steep turns on narrow dirt roads within the picturesque coffee plantations. The rally, a rare spectacle in Kodagu, after decades attracted participants from various states including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi and Chhattisgarh. Enthusiastic onlookers gathered at strategic points along the rally route, cheering and whistling as cars raced through the challenging terrain. The event, held on tracks measuring 8, 10 and 12 kilometers within 3 distinct coffee estates, featured athletes completing 3 rounds on each course. Notably, drivers showcased their prowess by conquering the 12-kilometer track in a remarkable 12 minutes, achieving their goals amid spirited competition. The rally marked a significant milestone for car rally enthusiasts in Kodagu, who reveled in the return of a national level event to their district. As the dust settled and engines roared, spectators reflected on the thrill of witnessing such a high-stakes competition unfold in the heart of Kodagu. The Robusta Rally 2023 not only showcased the talents of the rallyists but also reignited the passion for vehicular sports in the region.